Hello and welcome back to Swording for Beginners. We've got a special treat today. I've got an expert swordist with me. This is Ant of the Harrington Company. Hello Ant, how long have you been swording?
Oh, far too long, since I was 16, so that's years old.
And I understand you're here to tell us what to do if you're attacked and all you have is a sword and shield, is that right?
Absolutely, instructional purposes. So, what do you do if you're attacked when you're only armed with a shield and a sword? Well, the first thing you want to do is block. Block, then assess the situation. Where is he? How's he standing? Is he online? Then what you want to do is stab or slash that target. T for target, always hit where you want to go. But maybe at that point you need to assess again. Is he alive? Is he dead? Maybe he's better than me. Time to think, hang on, now better retreat and defend. Whoa!